If you want something a little more sporty and unique, I'd recommend looking into the Factory 5 Racing 818. It's built around a highly tunable Subaru boxer motor, with Factory 5's iconic tube kit chassis and fiberglass body encasing it. The final product is lightweight, affordable, and best of all, an absolute blast to drive. The 818 debuted in 2013, a smaller, lighter car than the rest of Factory 5's lineup, intended to seduce a younger audience of next-gen automotive enthusiasts. It weighs only 818 kilograms, or around 1,800 pounds. The kit includes a tubular steel space frame and unique fiberglass body shell made at Factory 5's headquarters in Massachusetts. The drivetrain is borrowed from a Subaru WRX donor, including a 2.5-liter turbocharged Boxer 4 with 230 stock horsepower. It's offered in an open-top street edition, a coupe variant, or a hardcore 818R race spec. Prices for the kit itself start at just over $10,000, but add in the price of a used or even wrecked Subaru donor and General Assembly, and you could be looking at around $25,000 for a finished model.